In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track HubSpot form submissions using Google Tag Manager. This step-by-step tutorial aims to make tracking your HubSpot form submissions both straightforward and efficient. So let's dive into the process, ensuring that you get everything set up in no time. First, we want to begin by navigating to HubSpot's homepage. If you're unfamiliar, HubSpot is a powerful suite of software tools designed to help businesses manage their marketing and sales activities. You can access their homepage very easily through a simple web search or directly by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look for the sign in button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top right corner. Click on it and log into your account using your credentials. If by any chance you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up to proceed. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This serves as the control hub for your various ops within the platform. From here, you'll want to navigate to the content section. This can usually be found in the main menu or under a drop-down labeled marketing or content. Clicking this will bring up a host of options for managing your site content. In the next step, direct your attention to the pages section. This area manages all your landing and website pages, crucial for integrating any tracking tools or analytics. Click on Pages and this will open up a more detailed view of all your page options. Now that you're in the Pages area, the next step involves accessing the Integrations panel. This section is distinctly essential when you're looking to manage or add any third-party applications or tools to your HubSpot activities. Select Integrations and it will guide you to a comprehensive menu of different integration options available. Once you're in the Integrations panel, search for an option labeled Integrate with Google Tag Manager. This feature allows you to seamlessly connect your HubSpot ecosystem with Google Tag Manager, a crucial tool for tracking and analytics. Click on it to initiate the integration process, following any on-screen prompts to authenticate and complete the linkage. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through HubSpot to incorporate Google Tag Manager for tracking your form submissions. Remember, this integration allows you to monitor user interactions with your forms, providing valuable data to enhance your marketing strategies. If you run into any issues, HubSpot's Help Center and community forums are great resources for troubleshooting and additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Happy tracking.